Hi, I'm Katherine Gorman, and today I'm going to ride along with some Uber product leads to find out how shared rides work on Uber. So Ethan, it's good to see you. I'm just going to jump in. So why did you guys feel the need to create Uber Pool?
So before Pool, we saw that there were a lot of people taking the same routes. You'd literally have two cars driving side by side towards a similar destination.
And we can solve that by pairing those passengers together and help ease congestion by taking cars off the road.
So it wasn't just about affordability.
Not entirely. It's also about expanding access to mobility, and that comes with affordability. If we take a $12 trip and we add 2 riders, so each rider only pays $4, then we've expanded access to even more people. If you're commuting with Uber every day, those savings really add up. That's why Uber Express Pool was created too. You walk to a convenient pickup spot and wait a few minutes so a driver doesn't have to go far out of their way, and Uber can provide an even lower price.
But doesn't that mean that a driver earns less if only one passenger shows up?
No, because we try and align the differing needs of riders and drivers. So even though riders split the fare and only one might show up, the driver's still going to earn a consistent rate based on actual time and distance, even though there's only one passenger instead of 3.
Hi, Irene.
Hi, Owen.
Hey, folks.
Hey, so Ethan and I were just talking about shared rides, and I have been in some pools where we don't get matched at all, and I've also been in pools where you take like 5 turns out of your way.
So we're constantly working on making shared rides better, but it's incredibly complex to efficiently match riders and keep wait times low. In fact, we have to buy a whole new bank of computers to make this happen. It's a huge priority for Uber and one we're constantly improving on. One way to handle the massive complexity on the road is with a system called batching. You can actually see this best in Express Pool, where we take a few minutes before matching riders. So by waiting, instead of doing everything instantaneously, we can streamline how we're matching riders and drivers and create more efficiency and keep wait times low in the system. We're constantly working on making our system more reliable for everyone, and this efficiency we add to our system, we can give back to riders in the form of lower prices.
I have a question. Is there a name for when you get passenger after passenger and always have someone in the car?
Those are called back-to-back trips. That happens when a driver picks up one passenger and then picks up another passenger before they drop the first passenger off. That can continue on in a continuous chain of pickups and drop-offs, and the driver is continuously earning for the whole time.
So back-to-back trips, continuous earning.
Yep.
Expanding access to affordable rides, that's what moves us.